Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy what you see, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to see what else we have to offer you. This week in class, in one of our Lexical Lab online language classes, we were discussing, among other things, the thorny issue of political correctness. And one of my students brought up the topic of gender-neutral pronouns. Obviously, in English we have gendered pronouns, he, him, she, her, but we also have neutral pronouns for plurals. So we have they and them. We also have we and us, which are gender neutral. And one of my students was talking about the way in which people who now identify as gender neutral, who don't identify or don't wish to be identified as male or female, often ask to be referred to using the pronouns they or them. So, for example, there's an English singer at the moment called Sam Smith who likes to be called they or them rather than he or him. And one of my students who brought this up was saying that she found it quite strange and quite disturbing. Personally, I've never had a student who's asked to be referred to as they or them, but if that's what you want me to call you, that's fine. It's no skin off my nose. If you say something is no skin off your nose, you mean that whatever someone else does or wants doesn't hurt you, it doesn't affect you, it doesn't cause you any problems. So you might say, for example, listen, take my advice or don't, it's up to you. It's no skin off my nose either way. If you've enjoyed what you've seen here, click the like button, share it with your friends, and in the comment section, we'd love to hear examples of when you think you might use the phrase, it's no skin